Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Li step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. Li. Means texture. Reason. To handle. For example, 理由 理由 reason. Now check this sentence. We have every reason to believe that the news is true. We have every reason to believe that the news is true. 我们有充分的理由相信这消息是可靠的。我们有充分的理由相信这消息是可靠的。我们有充分的理由相信 believe 这消息是可靠的。我们有充分的理由相信这消息是可靠的。我们有充分的理由相信这消息是可靠的。My casual handwriting on the character 你。你 texture reason to handle 理由 reason. We have every reason to believe that the news is true. 我们有充分的理由相信这消息是可靠的。我们有充分的理由相信这消息是可靠的。Okay? Please comment any words or sentence with Chinese character 你. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.